Hey, hello kids. Good morning. How are you today? Are you okay? Are you doing good? Great. I am okay. What about you? Are you doing okay? Very good. Today we are going to learn about so many things. You can see the board, but first of all, let's sing a song. Are you ready? I need you to listen carefully and sing with me. 1, little 2, little 3, little infants 4, little 5, little 6, little infants 7, little 8, little 9, little infants 10, little infants boys. Are you a boy? Wave your hand if you're a boy. 1, little 2, little 3, little infant 4, little 5, little 6, little infant 7, little 8, little 9, little infant 10, little infant girls. Are you a girl? Wave your hand. Boys, lift your hands. Girls, wave your hands. Okay. Today, kids, we will be learning so many fun things. Listen quietly, don't talk, and repeat after teacher Mimi. Okay? First, we will talk about the day of today. What day is today? What day is today? Can you tell me? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. 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 Today is Tuesday. Okay. Today, Tuesday, the letter of the day or the letter of the week is... Who can tell me what letter is this? Letter A. Letter A. Letter A sounds ah. A sounds ah, ah, ah. Good. The next one is the number of the day or the number of the week. What number is this? 1. Number 1. 1. And remember, the letter of the day is letter A. Sounds are, we have number 1, 1 apple. Letter A sounds apple, 1 apple. Letter A sounds 1 apple. The letter of the day is letter A. The number of the day or the week is number 1. A sounds apple. We have 1 apple. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Good. Our word of the day. Today we are going to study about this phrase, I have. I have. In Thai, I have means chan mi. I have, chan mi. I have I have. I have. Number 1. What is this? Can you tell me, kids? Cup. 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 C-U-P. Cup. I have a cup. Cup. I have a cup. I have a cup. I have a cup. Next one. What is this? Toothbrush. 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 I have a toothbrush. I have a toothbrush. Cup. I have a cup. I have a toothbrush. 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 So kids, can you tell me what do you have? I need every one of you stand up and tell me what you have. And follow my instructions. I need you to make the same sentence that I just did. Number 1, I have a cup. I have a toothbrush. So kids, remember, I have a toothbrush. I have a cup. I have a cup and I have a toothbrush. So, for your assignments, I need you to construct the same sentences that I just did. Make a short video of you saying this. I have a cup. I have a toothbrush. I have a cup. I have a toothbrush. Do you understand? Are you okay? Remember, make a short video of you saying, I have a cup, I have a toothbrush. Thank you for listening and don't forget your assignment. Bye-bye.